in this video I'm going to be showing you guys this really easy look that you can do for Valentine's Day. If you're going out, it doesn't necessarily have to be like with a boyfriend or girlfriend. You could be going out with friends, you could be going out with your kids, or you could be just going out by yourself. But I think this is a really cute and easy look if you just want to glam up. If you haven't already, I really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. As my primer, I'm going to use this Glow Recipe Watermelon Mist. I actually saw I think Mac Daddy using this in Adrian by Alon, that's why I bought it. And yeah, I really like it so far. I don't know if I would buy it again, to be honest, but I like it. I have like a little bit of scarring and like a little bit of redness that I want to cover up, so I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Insta Conceal and Correct. For foundation, I'm gonna use, oh, I look kind of crazy right now. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, and it was $3.70. I'm just gonna spray my face again. I just like to spray some of the Glow Recipe on a beauty blender. Just make sure everything is blended. Now we're gonna move on to concealer. So usually with my concealer, I like to conceal and highlight. But I bought this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind because I heard for so long that it's really good, and I've never tried it, so I want to try it. But I got the color Golden, and I think it's really close to my skin color. So what I've been doing is I've been using it as concealer, but I've been adding a little bit of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. The only thing about this one, like the shade I got for this is like a little bit too light. Like this is medium sand in the Camo Concealer. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix both. So again, I'm gonna take the beauty blender again, spray it a little bit. The color is definitely a little bit lighter. Well, when I use the Camo Concealer in it, then it gets a little bit lighter, but when I use it just by itself, after it oxidizes and everything, it pretty much looks like my skin color. So, but yeah, I bought it. I'm gonna use it. Same thing like with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, it's a little bit too light, but I bought it, so I have to use it. Did you guys watch the Oscars last night? I watched it, and normally I don't. I mean, normally I'll like tune in the beginning, but it goes on so late that I rarely ever finish it. But I was watching it this year because Billie Eilish was supposed to perform. Well, she did perform, and I was waiting for her to go on. But I don't know why. I was like under the impression that she was, I don't know why, and nobody really said it, but I was under the impression that she was gonna sing, because she's doing the song for the new James Bond movie. So I thought she was gonna perform that, but she didn't. But it was really nice what she did. She sang like for a memoriam for people that passed away. The reason I put it up here is because I like to use concealer as like a brow highlight. Now I'm going to contour. I'm going to use this Kylie Jenner concealer in Clove. This color is a little bit too dark for me, but I bought it online and I have to use it. So since it is a little bit too dark, I can't like, you know, draw a line. What I do is I just do dots. So I dot it here. And then by the time I get down here, like most of the product is gone, so I'll do like a very light line. And again, I'm going to take the beauty blender, spray it. And just blend it out a little bit more. So you don't have any harsh lines. I'm going to bake. I'm going to be using this Revolution baking powder in Banana Deep. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm just gonna do my eye. For primer, I'm gonna use the P. Louise base in Rumor 3 with a little bit of the e.l.f. Camo concealer. I don't know how people buy, like, unless it's a brand like you know. I don't know how to buy makeup online and like get it perfect for you. Because again, like this, it's really close to my skin color, so I feel like it doesn't really make, you know, my eyeshadow pop like how I'd want it to. So I have to add a little bit of the e.l.f. Camo concealer. But yeah, I suck at buying makeup online. I just realized that I forgot to do my eyebrows. Okay, I'm using this NYX eyebrow powder pencil, and I think this is brown, ash brown. Oh, it broke. Can't find my sharpener. Literally just looking for like 3 minutes, so forget it. I'm gonna use this brow powder pencil. Not pencil, but it's like a little brush. I literally sat here for 3 minutes looking for my little sharpener, and I don't know where it is. I can't find it, and I can't deal with that, so. Right now I'm actually just gonna put some Vaseline on my lips. Cause I don't know, no matter what lipstick, lip gloss, whatever, it's so drying for my lips. Yeah, for my eyes, I want to do something really simple. To be honest, I don't know. I'm kind of going with the flow. But I know I want to use the James Charles palette. Usually when I do makeup tutorials, I don't really know what look I'm going to be doing. It kind of just happens. So I'm going to start off with this as my transition color, and then we'll see where we go from there. Now I'm going to take that color next to it. This is the first one was code James, and this is 10% off. I'm going to put this in my crease, but I'm going to keep it very close. Now you want to take like a chiseled brush, and I'm going to go into this color No Beans for my outer V. I'm going to be doing a matte lip. I'm just going to add this to my eyelid. This is Canvas. So before I do my lashes and everything, I'm just going to blend out the baking powder. I'm gonna do my lashes and everything off camera, and then I'll be right back. So I just popped in some lashes. I used these Eyelure Exaggerated. They were pre-glued. They're pre-glued. They were, you know, I used the first time, but obviously it doesn't have glue anymore, so I just added glue to it. I think I purchased these from Ulta for like $1.99, which is like amazing. Eyelure is like my favorite lash brand to use. I mean, number one, the price, like it's so affordable. Also, like how I don't have to cut them. Like rarely do I ever have to cut them. Like I hate cutting eyelashes. Like if I have to cut them, I don't even bother. And I like that the band, it isn't thick, but also it's not flimsy. I don't know, they're just really good. Like every lash style, everything from this brand I love. Another lash brand I love is Lily Lashes. Now those can be a little expensive, so I don't use those as often. I save those for like, I don't know, really special events or just where I really want my eyes to pop. But if I'm not using Lily, then I'm using Eyelure lashes. Now I'm going to be doing my lower lash line, and I'm going to be taking the same colors that I use for my eyes. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to place it all under my lower lash line, and then I'm going to take like an eyeliner brush, just something flat like this, and I'm gonna go in the darker color and just really kind of line my eyes. I'm just gonna take this bronzer from the Balm. For blush, I'm gonna use this Black Radiance Big Blush. This is in Toasted Almond. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using the Artist Contour Glow Powder in Illuminati. Before I do that, I like to spray my face. I'm going to use the Glow Recipe again, just so my face is a little bit wet, and I feel like it makes the highlight stand out even more. My face is done. I'm just going to spray some MAC Fix Plus. Now we're gonna do the lips. So I'm gonna start off by using this NARS lip pencil in Cruella, and then I'm gonna use this NYX cream lipstick, and this is in, I don't even, Kitten Heels. I take my hair out. So this is the finished look. I quickly curled my hair before, so most of the curls came out, but you guys get the idea. This is the finished look, just something simple. I kept everything in my eyes matte. I didn't use any glitter, but you definitely can if you want. It's up to you. Comment down below what you think, and also comment down below what your plans are for Valentine's Day if you're doing anything. So yeah, if you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.